Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're looking at this Milwaukee pressing flip knife. It's a fastback hawkbill folding knife. I actually didn't want this knife. I ordered the fastback different one that you seen on another video, but they called me and said, "Can we switch it for another knife? It's the same as the knife that you want." So I agreed with them. And when I saw this knife, I have no idea what I'm going to use it for. I guess cutting rope or wires or stuff like that. And I tried to return it. They said because the order was for the other one, not this one, that they couldn't return. I couldn't return it. And I told them that they called me and said that they had the knife, but it was the same, looked the same knife, and if I was willing to change it because they don't have the one I wanted, I said fine. But they never explained that it was going to be this knife. So unfortunately, they said they couldn't take it back. So I'm like, okay, well, I'll keep it. I'll see what I can do with it. But yeah, so we're gonna check this guy out. And remember that Home Depot, I don't know, it just wasn't right when I told them that their guy